Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about our Bell Howell outdoor solar lights. So this obviously is the box, and this is a new solar light that we haven't used, but we've had several of these and we have them up all over the place. So this is a product that we've repurchased. It's very easy to mount, and it has these nice 8 lights in here, so it's very bright, and it picks up motion from 25 feet away. So if you're looking for a motion detector light, this one is incredible. It also comes with the stakes, so if you want to put it into the ground, you can do that as well. We have ours mounted on the outside of a building, and it's very reactive, and it's just done exactly what we needed it to do. So if you're looking for a bright, amazing solar-powered light, this is obviously the panel where it charges, then I definitely recommend this one. It's been awesome, and that's my point of view.